13. Today we're gonna make a Korean dish called konjabokkeuം. These are sweet, spicy, healthy, and one of the best recipes for a lazy person like me. So let's get begin. Let's begin by washing the potatoes. Potatoes are a good source of vitamin C. Its skin contains more potassium and calcium than the potato itself, so we won't be removing the skin. Soya sauce, oil, honey, chili garlic ketchup, garlic, and potatoes cut in half. Start by adding oil, garlic, and potatoes and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Make a mixture of soya sauce, chili garlic ketchup, and honey. Now add the mixture. Add water and cook until the sauce turns thick and glazy. Add sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are a good source of vitamin B. It lowers cholesterol and maintains sugar level in human body. Finally, garnish it with some fresh spring onions. So welcome back. I am starving because this dish is calling my names. So I'm gonna call my dear sister to help and judge this recipe and rate this out of 10. Hajar, come on. Okay,
hello guys.
So she's here. Hajar, you have to rate this recipe out of 10 and tell me how is it.
Okay.
I haven't tasted it yet.
It's tasting like a Kerala dish. It's very tasty and it's very tasty. And I love the dish and I give it a 10 out of 10. Oh wow. After the taste this but yeah, this is very healthy. And you can prepare it by yourself. Just read the help in the store or get a simple and add in 15 minutes. Wow. That's I'm going to taste myself. I'm tasting. Is it good? This is good. This is unthinkable. I love it. I love this.